In this video, you'll learn how to book a manicure using the Wecasa platform. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule your beauty service with ease. Begin by visiting the website www.wecasa.co.uk or open the Wecasa app on your device. If you are using a web browser, ensure it's up to date for the best experience. Once the page loads, you will see the home page featuring various services offered by Wecasa. Next, navigate to the section dedicated to beauty services. On the website, you can find this option in the main menu at the top of the screen. If you are using the app, look for a tab labeled Beauty Services on the home screen. After selecting this, a list of available beauty services will be displayed. From the list of services, select Manicure. This action will take you to a page specifically for manicure services where you will find detailed descriptions of the different types of manicures offered by. After selecting your manicure type, you will need to fill in your address and availability. This step is crucial as it allows the service provider to know where to come and when you are free for the appointment. Make sure your address is accurate to avoid any confusion. Once you've entered your details, proceed to choose the duration of your service. Options may vary based on the type of manicure you selected. Additionally, you can add any specific requirements in the comments section. This could include preferences for nail polish colors, any allergies or special requests regarding your manicure. After completing these selections, review your booking details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the address, service duration, and any comments you've added. Once you're satisfied with the information provided, you can finalize your booking. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.